Yes, translated as Artichokes Ala Polita. Polita as in from the city, the great city, Constantinople. It's a one-pot meal. It's a very easy dish and most importantly, tasty. Well, let's get cooking.
Yes, let's do
right.
it. Amen.
Amen. Fantastic vegetarian dish. I make this quite often during Lent, but all year round you can do it. One of the reasons why you can do it all year round is that Barbastatis and many other companies have these cleaned artichoke hearts. Let's get started with our Aγκινάρες Αλά Πολίτα. Like any good cazzarola dish, cazzarola is pan, pot I should say, you want enough olive oil to just cover the bottom. Okay, let that get warmed up and we're going to add chopped onion. Our onions are chopped and into the pot they go. Simply sweat them, get them softened without any sort of color. So let's add some scallions, which are also known as green onions. The key to a lot of dishes are onion for flavor, especially the lavara or the vegetarian ones. Let's add our whole carrot. So we'll take our carrot and cut it in half. In goes the carrots. Potatoes are going to get cut. This dish feeds about 4 people. 4 potatoes. You got 1 potato per person, plus all the other vegetables. It's a hearty vegetarian dish. All right, let's add some salt into the mix here. Fresh ground sea salt. When you add salt, it brings up the moisture, so it's going to help release the water from the vegetables. We can put a little bit of pepper at this point. We have our artichoke bottoms here. There's this brand, which is most well known, but there's a lot of other brands that you can find at Greek and Middle Eastern stores that sell these frozen artichokes. See what they look like?
Oh,
amazing.
Yeah.
We're going to put the whole bag in. Okay.
Nice.
And what I have to do now is add enough water to just cover. All right, I think we're good. Back on the stove top. Let's put the cover on. We're going to bring it up. I'm going to turn the heat up to bring it up to a boil, and then we'll lower it back to a simmer. And we're going to check on this after about 30 minutes.
Okay.
Carlo?
Yeah.
Okay. Αγκινάρες Αλά Πολίτα, ready to go.
Wow, those are great.
Yeah. Artichokes are fork tender, and so are our potatoes. We're good to go. All right. I have to add the juice of a lemon. All right. We can add our peas. Fresh or frozen is fine. This dish needs fresh chopped dill. 1 cup of freshly chopped dill. In you go.
That looks pretty.
This is a technique you see nicokires in Greece, or Greek ladies. They'll do this. I don't want to take a spoon and stir it around and break up the potato too much. Just break it up a little bit. And this, you see how it's kind of cloudy? Those are the starches from the potato. They're going to help thicken the sauce up. Okay?
Okay.
I'm going to taste. We added a little bit of salt. I know we're going to need some more salt. I just want to see how much more salt I have to add to this. Yeah, it needs some more salt. You need some fresh ground pepper. You taste as you go. Don't try and add the whole amount at the beginning. Still need salt. I'm going to leave it like that because when the water reduces, it'll concentrate whatever salt is in there.
What'd you put it to?
Medium low. We'll go back to this in a few minutes. Okay? I'm going to leave it uncovered so the water can evaporate easier.
Okay.
Αγκινάρες Αλά Πολίτα.
Got some nice fresh dill. That looks great. How much dill would you say you put in there?
That's probably another half cup. brightens it up nice and fresh. We get this nice creamy sauce. I think we gotta taste test this. Let's go.
Ooh, Peter, this looks so delicious.
This is your first time having this dish, right? I can't believe it. All right.
Why haven't I eaten this before? It's so good.
It's got the olive oil richness, sweetness from the carrot, the dill, tanginess of the artichoke.
Thank you so much, Peter, for another spectacular dish. A new one I've never tried. I love it. Well, I'm gonna keep eating.
Me too.
How about you?
Yeah.
Okay.